Hello children, hope you all are learning well. As we have covered all the topics from exercise 2, which is large number, this is our last topic in which we cover the places and we convert the places of each number. So let's have a guess for this question. How many 10 lakhs make 1 crore? The meaning of this question is कि कितने 10 lakhs मिलकर 1 crore बनाते हैं. So do you find any answer for it? Okay, I'll explain the solution of it. First, let's have the recall of place value system. As you know that this is Indian system of numeration or Indian place value system. So you can see here that a number, a place in periods are related to each other. As we are going right to left, can you see that we are moving right to left? For each step we are multiplying the place with 10. As we are moving from ones to tens, we are multiplying it with 10, and as we are moving tens to 10,000, then we have taken how many steps? From tens to 10,000 we are taking 1 2 3. So we are taking 3 steps, means we multiply the number tens by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, means we multiply this number with 1000 for moving to 10,000. So by this way we can convert a place to a different place. Now this is Indian and international place value system. So first we answered that question, that our question is 1 crore equals to how many lakhs? So our question says that how many 10 lakhs are in 1 crore? So we are moving 10 lakhs to crore, which is, this is 10 lakh and this is crore. So whenever we are moving one side, one step towards left, we multiply it with 10. As we are moving 10 lakhs to 1 crore, so we need to take one step towards left. As we are going for one step, so we multiply this number 10 lakh with 10 and then it will be 1 crore. So our answer will be 1 crore equals to 10 lakhs. Now children, it's your turn, that you need to find 1 crore equals to how many millions. 10 crore equals to how many million, and 1 lakh equals to how many thousand. And if we are moving this lakh to crore, then that means we are moving two steps. For this, 1 lakhs to 10 lakhs and then 10 lakhs to crore, means for lakhs we are doing 100 into 10 into 10, which means 100. So we can convert this question in another simple form. This is 1 crore equals to 100 lakhs. This is also one answer. Now it's your turn children, that 1 crore equals to how many million? 10 crore equals to how many million? So for this we need to consider Indian and international place value chart. This is Indian place value chart and this is international place value chart. In this you can see these red lines for international system, as we may put comma for these red lines. So first Indian number system, it has ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. And international number system, it has ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So for these two systems we can see that 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 places are equal. Here you can see 1000 1000, 10,000 10,000, ones ones, tens tens, 100 100. But after this place it is 100,000 for international, and for Indian number system it is lakhs. So from these two tables we can see that 1 lakh equals to 100,000, 10 lakhs equals to 1 million, 1 crore equals to 10 million, and equals to what? 10 million. So the answer will be 10 million. Our next question is 10 crore, which is equals to how many million? So 10 crore is equals to 100 million. And our last question is 1 lakh equals to how many thousand? 1 lakh, here you can see that 1 lakh equals to 100,000. So by this way you can check the places of each number in Indian and international number system. This is the last topic of exercise 2. Let's have a quick recapitulation of it. This is Indian place value system, in which we have 4 periods, and each period, first period has 3 places, rest all the 3 periods has 2 places, which is ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Whenever we write the number name of a number, then first we place each digit in according to place value system. Second is international place value system. In this we have 4 periods, ones, thousand, million and billion, and each period has 3 places. Like for ones period we have 3 places, for thousand period again 3 places, for millions, million, 10 million and 100 million, and for billion it is billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. And whenever we write the number name, first we need to place the digits in each of the place. According to the place we can write the number name. Next is how do we write figure for a number name. Whenever we are having a number name, first we write according to number name the digit in places, and then we can form the number in figures. This is expanded form of a number. For expanded form, first we place the number according to places, then we place a digit according to place, and at last we multiply it to find the place value of each number. And by combining these place values with plus sign, we will get the expanded form a number. Next is short form, or you can say standard form. For this form, first we mark the dashes for the largest number, and then we fill it by these numbers so that we can get the standard form of a number. Here one more thing is that successor and predecessor of a number. For successor we will add 1 to the number, and for predecessor we will subtract 1 from the number. Children, next is ascending and descending order. Whenever we are moving upward direction, then it will be ascending order, and when we are moving downside direction, it will be a descending order. Now the next topic is comparison of numbers. It can be done by 2 methods. First, by counting number of digits in a number, and second is to compare the extreme left digit, which is the largest place. And then we know ordering of numbers, which is ascending order and descending order. In ascending order we will write small to large, and in descending order we will write large to small. And at last, the last topic is this: how can we convert the places of the number? So if you will have any query about these questions, then you can text message to your teacher so that I can solve them in further videos. Till then, bye bye.